The motherfucker rips, y'all. Shit. So what's up, everybody? I'm down here. I started making, down here at this little Brando that I've been ripping here and there over the course of the past few months or whatever. But I did make a made-in-flight video with the little Grinderino with the Cinebot30 guts in it, but I was flying like shit and it was super windy, so I really couldn't get any freestyle or any proximity freestyle that was halfway decent out of it. So what I'm gonna do in this video is just basically kind of do a post-maiden flight video for you guys. And like I said, it's a Grinderino 6S Cinebot30 build. And I slapped the run cam orange on that bad boy. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but I slapped that on there to see if it could even fly with it on there. The propellers are little blunt nose Cinewhoop propellers. You know, the tune on it is not great. It's this stock Cinebot30 tune that came on that. And if shit don't work out, I always got the demi-bot with a jerry-rigged GoPro 8 mount on that thing, so we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna come up, yeah. Feels real good after I've been so blue. He's gonna come up. I'm gonna come up. It feels so good to have a brand new view. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I just broke off with my baby. Now I can finally get the love in you. Yeah, yeah. Well, I just moved up to Lucky Street when the mayor came and said to me, "You're on the come up. You're on the come up." And it's plain to see between you and me, we got so much love and chemistry. It's bound to come up. Well, good things keep on coming, and there ain't gonna be no running. No, I'm on the come up. Well, I just got home and now I'm back. I got so many people asking where I'm at. I've been to Tennessee and Ohio, Tuscaloosa. Women know I'm on the come up. Yeah. Nothing really more to say. Hey. Well, if you're asking